Hi, this is Diana and Sasha, and today we have prepared the choreography for the first dance for the song, I Can't Take My Eyes Off You. So let's start. Our choreography is based on the steps for social, foxtrot, and rock and roll. While social suggests it is just for everybody, so now we will show you a basic step for the foxtrot. Well, let's start with the steps for men. We start with left leg forward and we count slow, slow, quick, quick. So, left leg forward slow, right one slow, and sideways quick, quick. Left leg backward slow, right one slow, quick, quick. And now a little bit faster. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. And now Diana will show you the steps for ladies, and then I'll tell you a little bit about the technique. Alright, so now the steps for ladies, they are very similar. We start with right leg. So 2 steps backward, sideways, and join. 2 steps forward, sideways, and join. Right, left, right and left, right, left, right and left. So we count. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. So first try to do it separately and then together. So let's talk about the frame. So, man's right hand is on lady's shoulder blade, closer to the armpit, not the spine. So we grab the lady with our round hand, holding the shoulder blade, and we just push the lady very gently left. And with our left hand, we push her right. So the lady is clenched between 2 hands. And we have a full control, and you may just check. Yes, you may check if you have some loose or not. And the lady stretches bone the body to prevent separating hands from the body. Okay? So the lady puts her left hand on man's shoulder. Do not take your elbow up, but it is just freely on man's shoulder. But do not do it in this way. Do not hang on the partner. So please notice that we should have a common line together. So no elbow sticking or no hole. So your arms are joined. And with my right hand, I just shove away from the partner so that we are joined together. And as to our shoulder and shoulder blades, they should be as low as possible. They must be very heavy so that our neck is very, very long and we should look straight and proud. But remember to breathe. It is very important. Okay, breathe. And the prouder you are, the better. So you will simply look confident and elegant. Okay, so let's dance it together. So, men left leg, ladies right one. Slow, slow, and quick, quick. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. Try to practice it a few times with the music. Try to feel this slow and quick rhythm. But the question is, what does it mean, slow and quick? So, in music, we have beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I suggest starting with clapping, as our hands are more efficient than legs, and it is much easier to feel the rhythm with your hands. And later on, try with the legs. So every slow step, these are 2 beats. So 1, 2, slow 1, and quick 1 is just 1, 3, and 4. Look. Now, let's count up to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So up to 6. 1 basic step, 2 slow steps, and 1 quick. So practice it a few times with the music, and after that, you may just start to the next part of our choreography. And now basic steps the other way around. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. Well, to make the dance smoother, try to lengthen your legs. So we pull our legs backward, backward, sideways, forward from the heel, sideways. And now we need to discuss how to pull your legs on the floor so that they look smooth and elegant. We take forward steps starting from the heels, and we use the whole foot, so the foot has to be half round, as if we were rolling on the wheels. So the feet can't be flat, no, but try to avoid so-called disco foxtrots. No disco. Tan, 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 tan. No. Do not do it in this way. No disco. And no pumping. So the smoother you go on one level using your muscles and feet, the more professional it will look. And as far as music is concerned, it is not fast. It is rather slow. Well, it is connected with feeling the music. But what does it mean? Just like in a song, we just need to sing every step, so make it longer, and not dancing it very, very short. So look. Slow, and look, it takes some time, but not in this way, like, look, slow, and wait, slow, and quick, quick. No, but look, slow, slow, quick, quick. And now what is foxtrot? Well, foxtrot means a step of a fox. So it has to be a creeping step. We don't start straight away, but we are just creeping. Well, to creep in a nice way, you start with soft legs. And then, when you lengthen your step, and only then you may straighten your body. And again, the initial position, legs are bent. Well, not totally bent, but just soft. And then we lengthen the leg and move on. Let's try once more, but together. And slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. Well, to make sure that you dance, well, actually your dance is smooth, well, it is a good idea to have a mirror and just check if everything looks great, if it is slow, if it is smooth, or maybe you just need some more time to practice it a little bit more. So we need to take some time, practice it well. Just 1 or 2 hours will definitely not be enough. And once you know how to dance a basic step, we will dance it around the circle. And now we will show you how to do it. So we will take small circles. So back to you, and slow, slow, quick, quick, and I turn a little bit. Slow, slow, quick, quick, and we go. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, and slow, slow, quick, quick. Well, try to take a few laps in this way. Well, in the place where you are. And please notice that we are always going left. And the partner is always inside the circle, whereas the lady outside. So that is our basic foxtrot step. And now it is time for a rock and roll basic step. So a little bit of craziness. So we will show you both men and women steps at the same time. So we stay in such a position. Men start with left leg, ladies right one. And toes. Look, without the body weight, we stay at the second leg. And after pumping, look, we move the body weight. And again, toes, body weight. And now backward, step, and go back, step. And again, left leg, pumping, right one, and left one, backward. Ladies, right leg, right one, left one, toes, full foot, step, step, toes, full foot, full foot, full foot, full foot. Well, we don't need to tell you what rock and roll is, as you know it very well. You know we dance it very fast. It is a merry and lively dance. So the legs must be light and lively. So when we are pumping, do not save the energy, but each leg must be visible. Well, actually, you must see that you lift them. So there must be a lot of energy. Yes, so you need to dance it with energy in this way. So merry and lively, and not in this way. All right, and now together. So holding. Imagine that you hold two glasses and the lady just hooks it in this way. And 1, 2, 3, 4, pushing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now a little bit about the leading. Well, just to prevent being out of step. So we lead with our hands so that the lady knows exactly and she feels when to start. And 1, 2, 3, 4, backward step, we push the lady, and then we take her with you. And sideways, sideways, pushing, sideways, sideways, and pushing. Okay, and once you practice basic steps separately, well, you should dance it together. So the next step will be turning over the right shoulder. So we dance basic step while turning. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, you may count to 6 or toes, full foot, step, step, or maybe left one, right one, backward, or any ideas? Well, actually, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Well, actually, as you wish. Yes, you may count as you wish. All right. So just choose your own way so that it just goes with the music.